On our previous video, we showed you on phase 1 how we transform our family room. For phase 2, we're going to be taking care of the powder room, replacing the vanity sink, the mirror, the toilet, the lights, the tower bar, and the floors. Welcome to Renovation Diaries. Let me take you back memory lane. This was in 2002. We used to have this in our powder room. It's a wallpaper. We had it in the middle of the wall all around the powder room. And the walls were this mustard color. Now moving closer to 2020, I decided to change the color of the powder room to this very deep green. I added these peel stick tiles as a frame for the mirror. I got rid of the medicine cabinet. I measured the hole. I cut a piece of sheetrock to completely cover the hole. And then I used this joint compound, spatulas, a little bit of water, this mesh tape, and I filled all the gaps here with the compound and filled the hole and painted over. That's how it used to be with the medicine cabinet, and now it's without it. It came out okay, but not perfect, so I covered it with artwork. I was really pleased with the outcome. This renovation didn't cost that much. I got the paint on sale, and I knew this was temporary until we had the budget to replace the sink and everything else. And now we are ready to move to 2024 new design for a powder room. We are saying goodbye to the green. Applying the primer and the paint, removing the sink and the toilet. We added the floors. We already got the lighting and the toilet, and very important to measure your space, especially in powder rooms because they tend to be small. Ours is not that small, but it has a wall in an angle, so we were very limited. We have to keep in mind that we needed to have a small toilet here. We got our faucet and the vanity sink. We were able to get almost everything at Lowe's. It is our local home improvement store. I always like to buy everything at the local stores to be able to see it, but in this case I couldn't find the right mirror, so we ordered it online through Amazon. And this is how it's looking so far with the vanity, toilet, and the new lighting. And something to recommend you to do always when ordering online is to measure. Check the specifications, and if possible, do a layout like this with tape to make sure that everything's going to fit and you like the way it looks. I went ahead and I placed an order for the towel bar that I'm replacing, and I found the right one. This is very industrial style. It's going to go very nicely with the shelf that we already had and we are planning to keep. I decided to spray paint the handles, and I'm putting them here in this cardboard box so they don't move while I spray them in black. I let it dry completely, and now I'm installing them back in the vanity. And the fun begins. Let's shop at Hobby Lobby for some decor accents that this powder room needs. It is Saturday morning, and my husband, better known as Amore, asked me where I wanted to go. And I said, of course, Hobby Lobby. Not only because I love to come here, but I knew I needed to get some decorations for this powder room. I love this one. All the greenery are 75% off. And that's what I have in mind. I want to add some greenery, and because it's an enclosed place, I cannot have natural greenery. I like this. It's very industrial, but it's too big. And this one's so cute, but it's not what I'm looking for. What I have in mind is more of the industrial design style. Something more like this too, and the price is perfect. I am going to get a few of these and return what I don't want. And let's meet with Amore to go get a couple more things that I need. All of these could work. I'm trying to stay with the chromatic color palette using black and white. I love this one. So what I did is just grab a bunch to select them later. This is everything I got at Hobby Lobby. There were very good sales. For example, this is only $4.99. So let's move on to decorating. This process took me a little time and I got plenty options to choose from. Please let me know in the comments which option it was your favorite. What I'm keeping in mind is to have a little bit of balance before I make my choice. I'm trying to see if I find a good combination between greenery and decor all together and keeping the black and white in mind. And that's how I'm going to select the best option. I like this one, but I think these signs belong in the entry of our house, not in the bathroom. And these two are competing to each other because they're almost the same height. So what I like is to have a balance of something tall and something short. Please let me know in the comment box which is your favorite option. I like this one, but I think it's too busy. What do you think? Let me know. Now it's time to hang the frames. I'm using this method and I think it works magic. I cut a piece of paper the same size of the frame. I make a little hole for where the hanger is gonna go. Then I use it as a template so it's easier for me to place the artwork. And let me show you this final touch. I ordered this soap dispenser online. It brings two. I'm gonna use the other one for the kitchen. And what I love about it is that it brings plenty stickers so you can customize and use these bottles for whatever you want. So I'm going to just place the sticker here and use it for my hand soap. I already cleaned the bottle with a little bit of rubbing alcohol to make sure that it's clean and the sticker will adhere better. It also brings this rubber base to protect the glass at the bottom. And now I leave you with the final product. And don't forget to give me what was your favorite option for the selections to decorate this shelf. I am thinking to add a tray on top of the toilet with a book or a magazine. We still need to add a new handle for the door. Stay tuned for more videos of our new series Renovation Diaries, where it's going to be all about the kitchen. I'm going to take you with me where I select the finishes and the appliances. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. And click on the notification bell so you'll be notified next time I upload a new video. This is the second one of our new series called Renovation Diaries. We will keep you updated with the progress. Until next time, goodbye.